I'd like to remind you of the importance of water one more time. Now, whenever you have natural grass, which is what we're putting in here, you want to think about the sprinkler pattern. We're going to go into that more a little later, but for now what I want you to think about is what's along the sides. So if your grass goes right up to concrete like the olden days back in the 70s and 80s, and there's overspray, naturally you're going to see water running down the sidewalk into the rain gutter and running down the street in the middle of the night when your grass is getting watered. Now, we don't want that. We don't want to waste water. I still see that when I'm out on my morning runs sometimes. People watering the street. Excuse me. Doesn't make a lot of sense. All right? So what you want to do instead, and this is Water-Wise Council locally, is you want to have a rain garden around the outside, or you want to have a planter bed around the outside of your grass, so that when your grass gets watered beyond the edge of the grass, the water goes into the plants, it goes back into the ground, it doesn't just go straight out to the ocean. All right? So one thing we're doing here to follow that counsel is we're going to have a border of plants on both sides of our grass. All right? So coming off this patio, there's going to be a planter bed. You can barely see right here, there's a faint orange line from where we originally marked it. So there's going to be plants along here. It also kind of tends to soften the gap between the hardscaping and the grass so that you can effectively have like its own space down here. It's going to turn out really nice too because it's going to be on a lower elevation. You can see there are steps coming down off this patio. So it's just going to be this big, huge swath of grass. It's going to look really nice. And if there is overspray, it's going to go into the planter beds.